back to Beauty Desk Tuesdays. Here's what we have coming up for you today. We have one of the newest scents from a luxury fragrance house, Ex Nihilo, and it's called Explicite. It is inspired by a Spanish landscape and it's a really warming scent. It's got pink peppercorn, a peony, lily of the valley, as well as a bit of sandalwood, amber and vanilla. So it's the beauty of these fragrances that they have a very good staying power. So you don't need to actually spray that much to get the full impact of the scent. It's very well balanced. Like I said, it's really warming and it's a lovely fragrance to kind of take you into the evening. Been working from home, I feel like my routine's completely gone out of the window and I'm not sleeping as well as I normally do. So I'm getting like a lot of these kind of tired looking eyes when I wake up. So I'm really keen to try the Sisley Paris Black Rose Eye Contour Fluid. Now this is meant to kind of depuff the eyes, tackle the dark circles, and it's got this really soft applicator. So the fluid itself, when you get it out onto it's got this really nice, smooth, very glidable, is that a word? Glidable texture. So when you apply it to the eye area and you start sort of massaging, and you can use this morning and evening, it absorbs into the skin really evenly and it does kind of relax, and over time you will see like a much more luminous and a brighter skin around the eye area. Have a healthy summer glow all year round, or you want to enhance the tan you've been working on while sitting out on a balcony or garden because all the pools and beaches are closed, then you might want to try the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. This is the newest shade. It's called Cognac Candy and it's a gel-based body luminizer. So the kind of highlighter that you use on your cheekbones, this is the highlighter for your body. So it looks like quite a dark shade, but you don't need to apply a lot. And once you sort of start blending it in, it gives you more of that kind of luminosity and that really glowy texture to your skin. It doesn't have a sticky texture, but it does have that dewy texture. So if you're not really a fan of things that you can really feel on your skin, then maybe this isn't for you. But if you simply want to kind of add a little bit of glow to your skin, then this is a really nice option. Many of us are spending a lot of time inside with AC, and naturally our skin will start to feel a lot more drier. So kind of using creams and products that really boost the hydration in your complexion is key. And I've been trying out the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Cream. You guessed the main ingredient is green tea, and this has been designed specifically to help hydrate the skin. Now what it also does, it creates like a layer of hydration on your skin. So not only does it work on the surface of your skin, but it also works into the deeper layers of your skin to again kind of bring a lot more hydration to your complexion, so you can have a very fresh looking skin morning and evening. Charlotte Tilbury has unveiled 4 color-coded eyeshadows. Each palette is designed to complement and enhance the color of your eyes. And this one, which is called Green Lights, is specifically ideal for those who have hazelnut eyes. So you've got really beautiful green, you've got a bit of gold, you've got green, and you've got like khaki shades which enhance the color of your hazelnut eyes. For me personally, with blue eyes, I would have gone for the copper bronze combination that she also has in the collection. Those who have brown eyes, there's this beautiful palette which is shades of blue, and then those who have green eyes, there's another palette which has kind of got more of these pink burgundy hues.